Well, I think we're live. Hey!
Hi.
Hello, Coffee Time friends. It is even too late for me to be drinking coffee.
That's right.
We've had a busy day today, haven't we, Mama?
Oh, non-stop, I tell you.
Today is Mama's birthday, and she's had a good time. So we just wanted to come on here right quick, and she wanted to say thank you.
Thank you, everybody, for all the birthday wishes and comments and just thinking of me. It means the world to me. It's made my day, even though it was busy. It's really blessed me.
She's running around with her girlfriends today, and we went out for supper last night, and I brought her a card, and I got her some flowers. You want to see Mama's flowers? These are beautiful flowers. Look at those pink roses. Mama, you're in there somewhere.
Oh, behind the posies.
Beautiful flowers. Local florist here in Jellico. Four Seasons, Miss Tabitha. Down in Jellico, if you need flowers, give her a holler. Besides thanking you all for all the wonderful, wonderful birthday wishes, and we don't go live much, but tonight called for a good live because we want to get on here and tell y'all the Tupperware that Maria and I showed you the other night. This is it, folks. I told you that I would remind you. So here it is. We have this Modular Mate Oval Set. These are $39 coming. They'll be this month. And you get all these pieces here. We have these crystal wave set, 3 of these. You know, they go in the microwave. They're the clear with the black lids. We've already showed you all of them, so I'm not going to show you all of them. Then we have this 9-piece Fresh and Cool, and it's $39, and this will be all month. So you can still take advantage of these great deals. But you can't even get it all in the picture. Oh, we done tried the other night, Mama. We missed you the other night, but Maria came on, and I was glad she was here. She brought her stuff, but this is Mama's stuff. Finally got it. And you can get all these. I'll just take you down here and let you see. You can get all this till midnight tonight for $99. Now, folks, that's a great deal. And take advantage of that. And this could be as many Christmas presents as you want to make it. You want to break the 3 sets up, give each person a set. You could break it up by the piece even.
Oh, yeah, that would be good.
But we just want to remind you, tonight's it. Because some of you will be asking tomorrow, can I still get that? I forgot. I'm reminding y'all, tonight's the night.
For the $99.
For the 99 group set. But now you can still get the individual sets for $39. And that's still a great deal. But if you're wanting all of them, or if you want 2 of them, go ahead and get the other one. It's still cheaper. It's a great deal. We still have our bread keeper and the cheese may, and those will be on as long as they last for the rest of the month. And but we want to remind you that, and we want to say thank you. Y'all have sent stuff. Mama has just been blessed this year. It's been a good blessing year.
Yeah, it really has.
So we just want to remind you that, tell you thank you, and we wanted to go live. Now that we know we can go live, we will be popping live occasionally just to say hi to you all. Let's see who else on here. It says, happy birthday, Mama. There's Becky is watching. Happy birthday, Mama, from Deborah. Patsy, happy birthday, Mama. Mama, they're all saying happy birthday to you.
Well, thank them.
Mel, Patricia, Stacy. We've never had active to watch, so I don't know if I can watch a video at the same time. So there's Dawn. A lot of y'all, just thank you all so much. And Mama's just tickled.
Never had so many birthday wishes, and I guess maybe over all the 73 years I might.
You're worth every one of them, Mama. Mama's got the biggest heart in all great outdoors. She's just always, and I'm just so pleased that you're pleased, and you've had a good year and a good birthday. And this has been a blessed year. Even with COVID, we've met you all, and things have just gone really well. And we're too blessed to ever be depressed or stressed.
Yeah, that's right.
And do say a special prayer for Mama Sue. She had her first chemo treatment today. Let's just keep praying she doesn't get sick, and just keep praying that all goes well for her. We always want to mention that and just say, we think the world of her. She's a good Christian lady, and let's just lift her up. That's what we're here for. You pray for us, we'll pray for you, and that's how we get through. That's how we all get through. So, Mama, happy birthday from me.
Well, thank you. You've gifted me all week.
It's been the 12 days of Mama.
That's right.
I made this go the whole month, Mama, and just try to be special to y'all month.
Well, you're very sweet. You've got wonderful gifts so far.
Well, I try to
And
spoil
a beautiful card and stuff.
you. Yeah. So what are you going to do tomorrow, Mama? After all this activity today?
I may sleep all day tomorrow.
She won't. She'll be at the garden at least 3 times tomorrow. She'll probably be up in the morning, head into that garden just to see what she can see. Did you go to the garden today?
No, I just went and visit with my friends and everything.
And then we come back, went to church, and now here we are at the midnight hour almost for us. It's late for us. We go to bed early.
We've cut it close to put this on tonight.
Yeah. But we're glad to get to do it live, and so hoping that it don't have that little static and all that stuff in it, because I got a different phone, and hopefully that's taking care of it. Donna has tried everywhere in the world to get me lined out, and she's got this microphone, and she's got it hooked up, and she said, I don't know what the problem is, get a new phone. So I took her advice. Thank you, Donna. And I think it's a lot better. So we will be doing a few lives, and maybe we can do live from the garden and live from the flowers and some stuff a little bit easier than it is to record and then try to get it live to everybody. So I see your little comments coming up, which this is so neat to us because we're not techno savvy, but happy birthday, Mama is what most of them are saying.
Well, thank you. I can't read it from this far, but
we'll read them. They'll be on there. We'll be able to rewatch this. So
okay.
So you'll be able to read them all, and we can comment. And we just thank you all, and we just appreciate you all. You don't know what a blessing you all are to us. You don't know how much you have become a part of our everyday lives, not just occasionally. Their family. Mama thinks about y'all all the time. Mama worries about you. If you're on here, you're worried about, you're loved, and you're prayed for. Those 3 things I can guarantee you. And I love you and pray for you, but Mama, she is on it. Mama cares, and you got the biggest heart I ever seen, Mama.
Well, thank you.
I just love you for that, and you all are special to us, and just keep watching and keep supporting us, keep liking and sharing, and just keep commenting, because your comments bless us. We hear often how you all say you all bless us, and we enjoy watching. We enjoy hearing from you too. So you're a part of our family, you're a part of our everyday life, and we just thank you. We really do. We appreciate it. And we don't just say that, we really mean it. So, and thank you for the stuff. We're going to be showing some of the stuff that Mama has gotten. Some people have messaged me and said you'd sent stuff, so we didn't want to just jump on with what we already had and then do 2 or 3. So once it kind of comes in, because some of them have said, is it there? And I said, no, we'll go to the post office and check. So
it wasn't anything today. I checked today.
Okay. Mama says she's checked. So, Mama, I guess that's all. We'll let these people get to bed.
I know it's getting late, and Mama needs to get to bed.
Mama says it's my bedtime. Well, we get up early, but we go to bed early. Mama will be out in the garden probably at 6. I have to watch her.
Probably not tomorrow.
I have to watch her. I said, Mama, don't be out in that garden too early. It'll be slick. The dew will still be on.
It is sometimes.
She loves her garden. Mama loves outdoors. She loves all those.
Yesterday it was cool like, and it's wet. And then just like snap of your fingers, it was hot and dry and
yeah, happens quicker than we think, doesn't it, Mama?
I got hotter quicker than I thought I was going to.
Oh, mercy. I get hot just thinking about getting up there. I like a little cooler weather, but I love summer for all the vegetables. I really do. And the tomatoes are just outdoing themselves this year. Mama's got a whole table. If you're from the South, you know what I mean. When I say we got a whole table with tomatoes over here, that's what the kitchen table turns into. Is sheet pan cookie sheets full of tomatoes. And I love that. To me, it's prettier than any flower arrangement or centerpiece you could ever put on there. I love those red tomatoes on the kitchen table. And that's what I look for every year.
The other day, I said, enjoy that on that table because they'll be gone before you know it. He said, yeah, that's what I'm worried about, them being gone.
And Mama's sneaky. She'll catch me gone and she'll can them up. And she said, I've canned 4 quarts. I said, you cannot. No, I left you a whole pan over there, she'll say. So we have to work it out, don't we, Mama? But they will rot. I just like to leave them. I said, oh, don't can them all, Mama. But I love the canned ones too. I can't do nothing with them. Folks, we're going to go. We're not going to keep you any longer. But we did want to say thank you from the bottom of our hearts for loving my Mama. We thank you. And a lot of y'all said you adopted her as your own, and that means a lot to me. So she is a special lady, and it's her birthday, and I just want to honor her and say I love you, Mama.
I love you so much.
You're the best mama I ever had.
I better be.
Folks, y'all have a great night. Get you some rest. Get a good night's sleep and hit tomorrow like you've got something to live for.
That's right.
So we'll say good night, Mama.
Good night, Mama, and God bless you all. Bye-bye.
Bye, y'all. Thank y'all for joining us, and y'all who watch later, thank you so much. We appreciate you so much. Bye.